Hi everyone. I cannot believe this is already week 5 of our distance learning. And I want you guys to know how much I really miss all of you, even those of you that might roll your eyes at me at times. We are going to continue to learn and identify the anatomy of the cell or the cell organelles. And so what you should see here is the OneNote. All of you guys should have the anatomy of the cell on your OneNote already. I want you to download the diagram, that is the cell diagram right here. And I have placed the diagram from the bottom of the page up above. This way it's a little bit easier to color and to label. So if we go back here to the anatomy of the cell, you can see that it is just kind of like the 2-2 page that you did before. And the instructions are to read the text, then you're going to complete the project, and you're going to use the text to help you answer all the questions. Usually it's just word for word. So in here, it is going to talk about every cell in your body has at least one special job to do. A few examples: the cells in the outer layers of your skin are designed to protect you from your external environment. Certain cells in your stomach make chemical substances to digest the food that you eat, and other cells are specially designed to carry electrochemical impulses that make your muscles contract. And you can go and finish reading the text part of it. So here it says that you are supposed to color the nucleus brown and color the chromosomes blue. If you go up here to the color, then you can click on that and you can color those specific organelles. If you look at your cell diagram, the easiest thing to do is to go through the cell diagram and label that as you go along. So if you can see here that I also colored the chromosomes on this diagram and I labeled them at the same time. This will make it just a little bit easier. You will continue to go through this and you will label this. When you get down here, it talks about ribosomes. Receive instructions from the chromosomes by molecules called messenger RNA. A round structure found in the nucleus assists in the production and storage of RNA. This structure is called the nucleolus. The diagram below shows the nucleolus. Dashed lines are used to represent the molecules of the RNA. So it tells you to color the nucleolus yellow and the RNA molecules pink. If you look at the cell diagram here, you can see that there is just the nucleolus right here. So you can just label the nucleolus. You do not need to label the RNA unless you just want to draw that in. So be sure that you label all the parts on this cell and that you color them in as you go. If you have any questions, please know that you can email me and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like I said, I miss you guys. Here's the rest of the page for you to color. And then there are just a couple of these level 1 questions. And these level 1 questions come directly from the reading. The diagram at the bottom is the same one that I copied on the other page, but it's a little bit difficult to fill out since it's kind of sideways. I hope that you guys have a wonderful week, and I will talk to you later.